Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an audio call with a friend on Snapchat, updated for 2025. If you want to connect with your friends using Snapchat's voice call feature, just follow these simple steps. First, open up the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top left corner and tap your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page, where you can see all your account details and settings. Next, scroll down until you find the section labeled My Friends. Tap on it to open your friends list. Here, you'll see everyone you've added on Snapchat. Take a moment to find the friend you'd like to call. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate their name. Once you've found your friend, tap on their name. This will open up your chat with them. At the top of the chat screen, you'll notice several icons. Look for the phone icon. It's usually right next to the video camera icon. Tap the phone icon to start an audio call. Snapchat will now ring your friend, and they'll get a notification that you're calling. Once they answer, you'll be able to chat in real time, just like a regular phone call, but right inside the Snapchat app. If you hold your phone away from your face, the call may switch to speakerphone, so keep it close if you want to use the earpiece for privacy. That's all it takes. With just a few taps, you can easily make an audio call with any of your friends on Snapchat. Whether you want to catch up, share some news, or just hear a friendly voice, Snapchat's call feature makes it quick and convenient. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.